Hi, I'm Remy. This is Alex again, and we're doing a Warhead kind of competition.
Cinnamon sucks.
Yeah, cinnamon. Oh my god, that was awful. We did that like 5 minutes ago or something. Awful. Okay, watch that video by the way. But we are now going to do a Warhead challenge to see who can eat the most sour Warheads. These are not like as sour as the hard ones, but they're pretty sour. So we are gonna do that. All right, here we go.
Okay. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Put a Warhead in your mouth.
Okay. What? Okay. You cut two now. Alright.
Am I supposed to chew these or am I supposed to... Oh, I was sucking on them.
Put them all in your mouth.
All?
Don't try not to swallow too bad.
Alright. Pretty sure my mouth's gonna look like this.
We're gonna see if our mouths look like that. Oh god. No!
I have a whole lot in my mouth. Oh. It's making my tongue hurt.
I can't breathe.
Okay. You okay? Oh! Ah, the green one. Ugh.
Oh!
The green one. Ugh. Oh. The green ones are the worst. Well, screw it. Let's do this. Have two. And conceal them up.
Oh.
Oh.
It's okay. 5-second roll.
Oh.
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 That looks healthy.
I just noticed I still have another packet and a half. Oh, my hands are sticky. I'm getting goosebumps. I wonder if my crap is going to be different colors.
Do I look like I'm not?
I don't know about that.
No. I can't go on. You win. You win.
Can you do it?
Rock climb. Oh. It's okay, kitty. Oh, hell!
Alright, we're not
Well, that's
playing.
it.